Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you all for being here. Today, my presentation topic is the UNIX operating system. This presentation is part of my course titled Operating System, and the course code is ICT 2201. Let me introduce myself. My name is MD Ashikur Rahman Ashik and my ID is IT24047. I am a student of the Department of Information and Communication Technology at Mawlana Bhashani Science and Technology University. This presentation is supervised by Dr. Nazrul Islam, Associate Professor, Department of Information and Communication Technology. I am thankful to my respected sir for his guidance. Now I would like to begin my presentation. In this presentation, I am going to introduce UNIX operating system. In this presentation, we will learn what UNIX is, where it comes from, how it works and why it is still important today. Whether you are new to UNIX or want to improve your knowledge, I hope this session will give you a clear and simple understanding of one of the most important operating systems. Let us get started. In this slide, we will discuss what is UNIX. So what is UNIX? UNIX is a family of operating system software that control the computer and allow program to run. It was developed in the 70s at AT&T Bell Labs, and it has strong infrared computing. UNIX is special because it supported many users at the same time. This is called a multi-user system. Else user has their own account and can work separately. UNIX is also multitasking, which means it can run many programs at the same time. It manages those programs, calls process, and keep them separate for safety. Also, UNIX provides an stable and secure system. It uses a command-line interface with many useful tools. Those features make UNIX a good source for servers, resource, and software development. We will discuss history and evolution. Now let us look at the history of UNIX. UNIX is started in 1969 at Bell Labs. It was created by Ken Thompson and Dennis Rist. It was first made as a simple system where many users could share resources. In the early 1970s, Unix was rewritten in the C programming language. This was very important because it made Unix portable, so it could run in a different computer. In the 1980s and 1990s, different versions of the Unix were developed. The two main types were BSD and System B. Today, Unix ideas are used in the system like Mac OS and Linux, so Unix is still very important in modern computing. And next, Unix architecture. Now let us see how UNIX is organized. UNIX works in layer. At the bottom is the hardware like CPU, memory and storage. Above that is the kernel. The kernel is the main part of UNIX. It controls the hardware and the managed system resource. The next is the shell. The shell is the part of the user interact with. It takes user comment and send them the to the kernel. Finally, there are utility and application. Those are the programs that help user do tasks like editing files and the managing system. Layered design making Unix strong and flexible. Now we will discuss responsibility of the kernel. Now let us understanding the kernel more. The kernel has many responsibility. First, process management. It's created and control process and decides which process will run. The second, memory management, is giving memory to program and the manage virtual memory. The third, file system management, is control how files are stored and accessed. The fourth, device control, is communicates with hardware device and the manage input and the output. And final, the system cell, those allow program to communicate safely with the system. All those functions help the system run smoothly. Now we discuss key facilities. Now let us look at the key facilities of Unix. Unix supported many users at the same time. It can run many programs together. It will stable and the secure. It uses a command line interface, which giving strong control, is portable and the can run off the different computer. It also has many useful tools that help user complete tasks easily. Those features make Unix very powerful. Now we will discuss advantages. Now let's look at some important advantages of Unix. Those advantages make Unix a powerful and widely used operating system. They are mainly about performance, flexibility, and strong support. First, stability and uptime. One of the best features of Unix is strong stability. It can run for a long time without stopping. This makes it very stable for the service and important system. And next is efficiency. Unix uses system resources like memory and CPU in a smart way. It works in efficiency to giving better performance. And third is flexibility. Unix can run on different type of machine. It is portable and can be used in many environments, for large system to personal computer. And finally, community and standards. Unix follow global standard. It also has large and active community. This makes it is reliable and trusted system for developers and engineers. We will discuss limitations and challenges. Unix also has some challenges. It can be hard for beginning because it user comment. There are many versions of Unix which can cause compatibility problem. It has fewer graphical tools compared to system with like Windows or Mac OS. Security problem can happen if permissions are not set correctly. Some hardware may not well proper with Unix. Also, many tasks need manual setup, which requires knowledge, so user need practice to use Unix well. Practical use of Unix. Unix is used in the many areas. It uses our servers for web, email, database. It is used in the software development because it is powerful tools. It is used by education and research for learning and experiment. It is also used in the indicate like banking and networking. So Unix is very useful in real life. Consolation and next step. To finish, Unix is a powerful and important operating system. It is simple, portable and efficient. Its design make is flexible and strong. Running Unix helps you understanding modern systems like Linux and Mac OS. As next step, you should practice basic command, learn for file permission, and try simple shell scripting. The more you practice, the easier it will become. And next, thank you everyone for listening carefully. This is the end of my presentation of Unix. I hope you found it clear and useful. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer. Thank you again.